All right, now let's start talking about a little collaboration, and I'll show you the secondary law resource area of our platform. Let's jump on over here into the other window, and I'm going to talk about how you create a matter, how to add a case to it, how to share that matter with your case team, and how to communicate your comments to your team, and also how the highlighting functionality works within the platform. So let me quickly describe the dashboard here on this initial landing page. On the left side, you're going to find links to the dashboard area for your matters. You have some bookmarks here if you want to bookmark a case. You also can have the history of what you've done. Also notifications. This is where you actually get notified when somebody sends you a comment or comments on a case or a matter. And then there's also a link here to the Help Center that you can utilize from right here as well. So in the middle of the page, there's an activity table. These are just links to help you get to where you need to be fast, things that you've been already doing recently. There's also the secondary law resource table here. These are links that are to sites that have some really good information for you. And again, there's no cost associated with these. These are links to outside sources, and they're very, very useful. So I definitely recommend taking a look at that. Also, too, you've got your recent matters that you've looked at down here, so you can just click on them. And again, it's just designed to help you quickly navigate around this platform in this browser window. The first thing I'm really going to jump into here is how you create and share a matter and add a case to it. So the first time you log in, you're going to you actually need to activate all the collaboration functionality. And you do that by creating a matter. And all you do is click this Your Matters link over here in the gray bar on the left side. Then click the new matter button located over here on the right. Enter your client matter name in the box, click Save Changes, and presto, the new matter is now in your matters list, and all the functionality is now turned on and ready to be used. All right, so let me show you. Now I need to show you how you're going to get a case from the other concept search window into a matter so you can use the collaboration functionality. Right now, really one of the fastest and easiest ways is just to open up the case and copy the first line of the case's style right here at the top and just paste that into the search bar over here on the collaboration window. You do need to add quotes to it, and once you do, you just hit the search button and boom, the case is going to pull up for you. And we also have a new function being added this week. And here, let me show you a picture of what it's going to look like. It's not currently in there today, but it should be in there in the next few days. And what you're going to be doing is taking your result keys from your list from the concept search window and simply just pasting the keys, the document keys into this box. You hit boom, and then it populates all the cases that you had in your list over there for in your document snippet window from the concept search area. So that's going to be a very useful time-saving addition here this week. Now let's open up one of the cases and actually add it to a matter. Once you're in the case viewer window, if you'll notice down here in the bar at the bottom bar of the case viewer, you have this little link that says add a case to your matter. You simply click it. You can then add a case to an existing matter or add a new one on the fly, however you want to do it. That's pretty much it. You've now created a matter and added a case to it. We also we do recommend doing most of your searching over there in the other concept search browser window that we were working in earlier. You can run some limited Boolean searches in this bar up here, utilizing quotes. You can use the quotes, a capital and or the capital or connector. But again, it's better for now doing it over in the other window. All right, so now let's talk about how you share this matter and collaborate with your colleagues. You're going to need to make sure they're a member of your master account, and we did this kind of for security reasons. And in order to take advantage of this functionality, the users must be on the same account license. And it's very easy. But just for example, if two colleagues in the same firm actually sign up for the free trial master license, they're not going to have the ability to collaborate because they're not on the same license. But if you do end up doing that, just let us know and we can manually merge them together if you need us to. But ideally, a firm should just register for one free trial master license and then add all their members, all their attorneys, paralegals, whoever's doing the research to that license. That way they'll all be able to collaborate on cases together. Also, by adding multiple users to a license, you're going to be able to take advantage of our multi-license discounts. And you can look at our pricing matrix on our website at www.thecaselog.com. And the process to add members to a license is really simple. You just click on the account settings link up here in the title bar, click add new member, enter their email address, and select the sub administrator box. So they'll also have the ability to add members to a matter and et cetera, et cetera. This person will actually receive an email where they're going to be invited to join. They can create their own account using their own username and password, whatever they want it to be. And once they've created their account, they're going to be available to be added to any matter you so choose. All right, so that wraps that up. Hang on just a minute.